in Math Book page number 693. Today we will classify and count by shape. For example, if Mona has shapes and she wants to classify them into two sets, which flat shape will you choose? For example, I will choose a circle. Which shapes that are like the circle? The other circle. Excellent. So I will put these two shapes into one set because they are rounded, and all shapes in this set are not rounded. So we will have the square and the triangle for this set because they are not rounded. So for the second category, we have to choose shapes that are not rounded. For example, the triangle and the square. So let's draw them down. We have the rounded set here and not rounded set here. So we classified by shapes into two sets: rounded set, not rounded set. Exercise, we have many flat shapes and we have to classify them with a suitable set. We have here the circle. Please read with me. Circle. So this is the circle set. Square. Square set. Triangle. Triangle set. Rectangle. So this is the rectangle set. Each category we have here is a shape. So now, let's classify the shapes into their sets. First, we have the triangles. Where is the triangle set? Yes, this is the triangle set. Let's draw the triangle shapes inside the triangle set. Excellent. Second shapes we have the rectangles. We have three rectangles. Where is the rectangle set? Please read the words to know. Yes, this is the rectangle set. Let's draw the rectangles inside the rectangle set. Excellent. And now the circle. Where is the circle set? Circle. Yes, this is the circle set. Excellent. Let's draw the circle inside the circle set. And the last shape, which is the square, we have to draw it in the square set. Excellent. So we classified by shapes, and please don't forget to color the shapes with the suitable color. Exercise. We have the categories from the previous page: the circle set, the square, triangle, and rectangle. I want to circle the categories that have one object. So which category that have one object? The circle that have one object and the square that have one object. Excellent. Let's circle the circle set and the square set that have one object. Excellent. Now, how many sets do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 sets. Excellent. And the second question is, which set that has 2 shapes? Which set that has 2 shapes? The triangle set. Yes, this set has 2 shapes, which is the triangle. The triangle. Triangle. So the triangle has 2 shapes. Now, how many sets do we have? 1 set. set. Excellent. And the last one here, we have to circle the set or the category that has 3 shapes. Which set that has 3 shapes? So the rectangle has 3 shapes. Excellent. The rectangle has 3 shapes. Now, how many sets do we have here? 1. Excellent. 1. So, and let's look at the last page. We have classified shapes into 2 sets. How did we classify them? What did you see in the first set? The first set of shapes are all alike, and this set of shapes are all different. So we classified the first set all with square shapes. I will draw one more square. And the second set with different shapes that are all different. I will draw one more different shape, for example, a circle. So we classify the first set with the same shapes, which are squares, and the second set with different shapes. Excellent. And down here, we have to draw classified shapes. Classified shapes. At first set, you can draw any shape you want, but it have to be all the same. And the second set with different shapes. For example, I will choose the triangle set for the first set. And the other set with different shapes like circle and a square. So we classified by shapes. The first set with the triangles and the other set with different shapes. Don't forget to do your homeworks, page number 697 and 698.